Okay, I found this portable fan that you put on your belt or next to your pant. Basically, supposed to be cooling you off in hot summer. There's no cooling really, but it's just a fan with some little breeze. I thought it would be great for fishing or doing anything outdoors. So let's open it up and see what does it look like. Seems like it got some legs that we could use it on a table too. The adjustable vent takes the air from the other sides, comes with the USB cable, and I assume this is, you hang it on your neck. This is a power button. It's got some nice breeze. It's pretty quiet. Wow. It has multi-speed. Wow, this thing is blowing some strong air. Oh wow, this is the third speed. I don't know if I can blow the bugs away, but that's off. Could show you guys with a piece of paper maybe. There's our 6 foot of Walgreens receipt. So this is the first speed. This is the second speed. It's pretty powerful. So this is it. It's got some powerful fan in it. So I'm pretty sure this could be great for fishing or, you know, working on your office, extra cooling on your side. So that's pretty much it.